Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by scanning and evaluating the originals so you capture maximum detail. Scan at 600 dpi, clean the plate and save a TIFF master. This preserves quality versus a lossy JPEG. Once scanned, inspect for scratches, stains, and color shifts to prioritize fixes. Make sure to create a working duplicate file for edits so you never overwrite the master. This initial step speeds every later correction because you're working from the best possible digital. You now perform the core corrections: exposure, contrast, and white balance to restore natural tones. These changes affect everything that follows. Once done, zoom to 100% and use clone and healing brushes for scratches and small tears. Heal for texture, clone for missing parts. Make corrections on separate layers so you can tweak opacity. After retouching, apply mild noise reduction to smooth grain, then sharpen selectively to regain perceived detail without amplifying art. You finish by color grading and preparing files for use. Use curves or color balance to harmonize skin tones and background hues. Subtlety keeps images natural. Once satisfied, flatten a copy for export and save a TIFF archive with layers intact if you might revise later. Export a high-quality JPEG for sharing. If colors still look off, check monitor calibration and redo white balance on the master. This troubleshooting step fixes most persistent color errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.